Not welcome and good morning to the wandering chemistry. Not welcome and good morning to the wandering chemistry. And in the previous lecture, we see about the carbon monoxide and we know about its preparation, several preparation. Now we again see its preparation. Pure carbon monoxide is obtained when potassium ferrocyanide is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid should not be used for this reaction as it liberates extremely poisonous hydrocyanic acid HCN. For example, K sub 4 open bracket Fe open braces Cn close braces sub 6 close bracket plus 3 H sub 2 SO sub 4 change to 2K sub 2 SO sub 4 plus Fe SO sub 4 plus 6 HCN HCN plus 2H2 2H sub 2O change to HCOOH plus NH sub 3. Next 2NH sub 3 plus S sub 2 SO sub 4 change to open braces NH sub 4 close braces sub 2 SO sub 4 multiplied by 3 HCOOH change to CO plus H sub 2O. And finally we get K4 open bracket Fe open braces Cn close braces sub 6 close bracket plus 6 H sub 2 SO sub 4 plus 6 H sub 2 O change to 2K sub 2 SO sub 4 plus Fe SO sub 4 plus 3 open braces NH sub 4 close braces sub 2 SO sub 4 plus 6 CO. Now we see the laboratory preparation of carbon monoxide. So laboratory preparation. Carbon monoxide can be prepared in the laboratory by heating crystal of oxalic acid with concentrated sulfuric acid in round bottom flask. A mixture of equal volumes of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide is evolved and is passed through a vast bottle containing caustic soda solution to absorb carbon dioxide. The ensuing carbon monoxide gas is collected over water. Second, it is conveniently prepared in the laboratory by dehydrating formic acid with concentrated sulfuric acid HCOOH plus H sub 2 SO sub 4 change to CO plus open bracket H sub 2O plus H sub 2 SO sub 4 close bracket. Now we see the physical properties of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a colorless and tasteless gas and has a peculiar faint odor. Second, it is sparingly soluble in water. Third, it is slightly lighter than air, vapor density being 40 as compared to 14.4 of air. Fourth, it can be liquefied under pressure to a transparent liquid, boiling point minus 191.5 degrees Celsius, and can be solidified. It is extremely poisonous. Now chemical properties of monoxide. Stability. Carbon monoxide is a stable compound and it is not decomposed by heat. Second property, combustibility. It is combustible gas and burns in air with a blue flame, producing carbon dioxide. It is a non-supporter of combustion. Formation of addition compounds. Reaction with chlorine. It combines with chlorine in the presence of sunlight or camphor to form carbonyl chloride, phosgene, which is an extremely poisonous gas. CO plus Cl sub 2 change to CO Cl sub 2 carbonyl chloride. COCl sub 2 is carbonyl chloride, also called phosgene. It is a poisonous gas. Next, reaction with sulfur. When a mixture of carbon monoxide and vapor of sulfur is passed through a hot tube, carbonyl sulfide is produced. CO plus S change to COS. Reaction with metal. Third property. When it is passed over hot finely divided metals such as nickel and iron, carbonyls of the respective metals are obtained. These decompose at higher temperature to give back the metal and carbon monoxide. For example, Ni plus 4CO at temperature 52 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius change to Ni open braces CO close braces sub 4 nickel carbonyl. It is called nickel carbonyl. Again Fe plus 5CO at 180 degrees Celsius 18 degrees Celsius change to Fe open braces CO close braces sub 5 and it is iron carbonyl. Fourth, reaction with caustic alkalis. It does not react with solution of caustic alkalis in cold but combines with solid caustic soda or caustic potash at 200 degrees Celsius under pressure, forming sodium or potassium formate. NaOH plus CO change to HCOONA, sodium formate. Fifth, reaction with hydrogen. It reacts with hydrogen at 150 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 200 atmospheres and in the presence of catalyst, finally divided copper and zinc oxide to give methyl alcohol. CO plus 2H2 change to CH sub 3OH, methyl alcohol. It is methyl alcohol. Fourth, reaction with cuprous chloride. It is absorbed by an ammoniacal solution of cuprous chloride. An addition compound is produced. CuCl plus CO plus 2H sub 2O change to CuCl dot CO dot 2H sub 2O, additional compound. This reaction is used for removing carbon monoxide from a mixture of gases as reducing agent. As it is readily oxidized by oxygen, it acts as a powerful reducing agent at high temperature. Reaction with metallic oxides. Metallic oxides such as ferric oxide, cupric oxide, etc. when heated in a current of carbon monoxide are reduced to metals. In chemical formula form, Fe sub 2O sub 3 plus 3CO change to 2Fe plus 3CO sub 2. CuO plus CO change to Cu plus CO sub 2. Similarly, PbO plus CO change to Pb plus CO sub 2. Reaction with palladium chloride. It reduces a solution of palladium chloride to palladium at the room temperature. CO plus H sub 2O change to CO sub 2 plus H2 and PdCl sub 2 plus H sub 2 change to Pd plus 2HCl. Now test. First, it burns with a blue flame producing carbon dioxide which turns lime water milky. Next test, it turns an ammoniacal solution of silver nitrate brown. And third test, a filter paper moistened with palladium chloride solution is turned pink, green or black by carbon monoxide. Organic compound ammonia and hydrogen sulfide must be absent. Now uses. Carbon monoxide is used as a reducing agent in metallurgy and in the metallurgy of nickel. Carbon monoxide is used as a fuel gas in the form of water gas, producer gas and coal gas. It is also used as in the manufacture of methyl alcohol, sodium formate and synthetic petrol, and in the manufacture of oxygen gases.